The first step is to open LinkedIn, and click the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Click Settings and Privacy. Click Sign In and Security. Click Phone Numbers. Click Add Phone Number. Type your phone number in the highlighted box. Click the drop-down to select your country. Select your country. Type your LinkedIn password in the highlighted box. Click Send Code. A verification code will be sent to your phone number. Enter the code in the highlighted box. Click Verify. That's it. You're done.